Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We're so happy you are here with us today for another English speaking practice lesson. And today's lesson is going to help you sound more confident in English and also feel more confident in real life.
Yes, because today we are talking about a very powerful expression that many successful people use.
Fake it till you make it.
That sounds interesting, but what does it actually mean?
It means acting confident and positive even when you feel nervous or unsure inside, until one day that confidence becomes real.
So it's like practicing confidence.
Exactly. And today, we're going to practice English through a real conversation about confidence, fear, public speaking, and believing in yourself.
So relax, listen carefully, repeat after us, and enjoy the lesson.
Let's begin with today's conversation.
Hi, David.
Hey, Alice, why do you look so worried today?
Honestly, I'm really nervous right now.
Oh, no, what happened?
I have to give a presentation to my manager in about 10 minutes.
Really? That sounds important.
It is important, and I feel like my English is not good enough.
Don't say that. Your English is improving every day.
But I'm afraid I'll make mistakes while speaking.
Alice, everybody makes mistakes, even native speakers sometimes.
Maybe, but my heart is racing right now.
Have you ever heard the phrase, fake it till you make it?
Not really. What does that mean exactly?
It means if you act brave and confident on the outside, your brain slowly believes it on the inside, too.
So you mean I should pretend to be confident?
Yes, exactly, at least in the beginning.
But isn't pretending dishonest?
Not in this situation, because you're not pretending to be a different person. You are practicing a stronger version of yourself.
A stronger version of myself.
Yes, confidence is a skill, and skills grow with practice.
Honestly, I always think confident people are naturally born that way.
Most of them are not. Many confident people were once nervous and insecure too.
Really?
Absolutely. They simply practiced confidence until it became natural.
That actually makes me feel a little better.
Okay, let's practice together right now.
Practice confidence?
Exactly. First, stand up straight.
Like this?
Yes, much better already.
Really?
Yes, body language changes the way people see you and also changes the way you feel about yourself.
Wow, I never thought about that before.
Now, smile a little,
Even if I feel nervous?
especially if you feel nervous.
Okay, I'm smiling now.
Great. Now take a deep breath and say this sentence with confidence. I can do this.
I can do this.
Louder and more confidently.
I can do this.
Perfect. That already sounds much stronger.
It still feels strange, though.
That's normal in the beginning because confidence feels uncomfortable before it feels natural.
So I should continue even if it feels fake at first?
Exactly, because repetition changes your brain over time.
Repetition really is important in language learning, too.
Yes, confidence and English fluency both grow through repetition and practice.
You know what scares me most during presentations?
What?
I'm afraid people will judge my English.
Most people are too busy thinking about themselves to judge you.
That's actually true.
And remember something very important. Speaking imperfect English confidently is much more powerful than speaking perfect English quietly.
Wow, that sentence is powerful.
Communication matters more than perfection.
Did you ever feel nervous speaking English?
Of course, many times.
Really? You seem very confident now.
That's because I practiced again and again, even when I felt embarrassed or nervous.
So confidence came after practice, not before.
Exactly, and that's one of the biggest secrets to success in anything.
What should I do if I make a mistake during the presentation?
Keep going.
Just continue?
Yes, don't stop and apologize every 2 seconds.
I actually do that sometimes.
Instead, correct yourself calmly or continue naturally.
Like, sorry, let me say that again.
Exactly. Simple and professional.
Sometimes I compare myself to people who speak English fluently and I feel discouraged.
Never compare your beginning to someone else's middle.
That makes sense.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
And every small improvement matters.
Yes, even speaking one sentence more confidently than yesterday is progress.
You know what? I'm starting to feel calmer now.
Good, because your brain is already responding to your actions.
So fake it till you make it actually works.
It really does when used in a healthy and positive way.
Okay, let me practice my presentation opening one more time.
Go for it.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. I'm excited to present our new project ideas.
Wow, that sounded confident and professional.
Did it really?
Yes, much better than before.
Maybe confidence is really something we can train.
Absolutely, just like speaking English itself.
So if someone watching this video feels nervous speaking English, what should they remember?
Remember that confidence is not magic, it is practice.
Speak even if your voice shakes a little.
Practice, even if you make mistakes.
And never wait until you feel ready before you start speaking.
Because confidence grows through action, not through waiting.
Honestly, I think many English learners needed to hear this today.
We hope this lesson helps you not only improve your English, but also believe in yourself more.
Because your voice matters.
And your English does not need to be perfect to be powerful.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn.
Write one sentence in the comments using the phrase, fake it till you make it.
I fake it till I make it when speaking English.
Excellent. And remember to repeat this lesson many times out loud.
Repetition is one of the fastest ways to improve fluency.
Thank you so much for practicing English with us today.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone, and take care.